Good morning, Glenn. Good morning, Amber.
Kimberlain is one of our students.
Merry Christmas from Syracuse, New York. I'm, of course, Kimberlain O'Driscoll. You already know me as the one who didn't give up when I was turned down as a student.
Yeah, she didn't give up.
I came back a year later. I was prepared and I qualified.
One of the only people that ever said that they would come back and actually did.
Yeah. When my mom was pregnant with me, the doctors told her that I was going to be a miscarriage, that I'd never make it to full term. Even before I was born, I had a reputation of defying the odds and doing things that other people might not accomplish because I don't give up. Now, I'm sure there are a lot of very deserving and wonderful people that are going to be up for consideration.
That's nice of her to acknowledge that.
And if I am not chosen, I might be knocked down right now, but you know what? I always get back up.
You go, girl.
I will reach my goal.
She's a fighter. I'll give her that.